Okay, so I have everybody's stuff laid out for Christmas that I made them. I made some of these, and they're all in bags. But I'll show you what's inside them. These are DIY bookmarks. I also did animal ones of that cat, and there's more of dogs and stuff like that. So yeah, that one is a bookmark. Then I made a DIY ornament, and these cost really cheap to make. Then I made this decorative multi-purpose little key ring thing. It can be used as a keychain. It can be used possibly as a wine glass decor thing at the around the little skinny part. And it could be used as a dog tag, a charm thing, or it could be used as a cat toy. But if you're gonna have pets, if this is intended to be for pet use, I would supervise your animals when in use and make sure they don't eat it. And so yeah, there's a lot of them. I've got, this one says I love my pet, and this one is a dog. I use stencils to make them, and I'll show you how to make the these things, the ornaments and the Christmas ornaments, in a different video that I already made. And so yeah, I plan to put more stuff in them. Like, I keep making them things. I was thinking about making, like, I bought some fabric for cheap, and so I was thinking about making my nieces some DIY wallets or coin purses or something. But they can be for, like, the fabric is like, it's like Labradors with an American flag, so I can use it for men too, for gifts for men too. So I was thinking about maybe making like coffee holders, like those things so you don't burn your hands when you're holding the cup. They just go around in like a little sleeve thing. And then, yeah, so I was just thinking of